So I ordered a organizer from Amazon for my Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag, and I really like the floppy look of it just because I feel like it gives it more character. I just feel like I want a little bit more structure now. So I got an organizer from Amazon, and we're gonna open it and see if it fits. The one that I originally ordered was a medium, and it fit, but it was pretty much too small for the bag, so it wasn't doing its job. So I returned that one, and I ordered a large and extra large. So we're gonna see which one works in my bag. This is what my bag looks like. It's just the Neverfull bag, and the inside of my bag is a really pretty navy blue color. So I got a navy blue organizer. Also, don't mind my little PJ outfit. So this is what it looks like, and it's got gold detailing, which I love because the purse itself has gold detailing too, so it matches. And this is actually a little insert that you can put in here. You can insert it, or you can use it while it's out as well. So this is what we're working with. I'm gonna empty everything out of my Neverfull bag. We have a blank, empty bag. We're gonna see if the large organizer fits. I think it will, but let's see. Oh yeah, that's like perfect actually. This is what it looks like. It fits perfectly in the bottom of my bag. Some gum, my keys, wallet, AirPods, take out my charger and my inhaler, medications. So many lipsticks in here and lip liners, like absolutely insane. Okay, this is what we're working with. This is like a rough organization. It's super late at night and I have to work tomorrow, so I kind of just like threw everything as cleanly and organized as I could. This is what she looks like, and I think it will help with the structure of it. And definitely keep everything more organized and the inside of my bag more clean too, because I want to protect this inside as much as I can.